Welcome to our health and diet class, ladies. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to home for many of us. What type of food to consider during menstruation? Whether you're dealing with cramps, mood swings, or just a craving for something comforting, the right foods can truly make a difference. On top is leafy greens, like spinach and kale. Not only are they packed with fiber to keep things moving smoothly, but they're also rich in iron and calcium. If you find your periods on the heavier side, getting enough iron is crucial to prevent fatigue and those pesky aches and pains. Next up is ginger. This little root is a superstar for easing period symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help tame those cramps and improve overall discomfort. Whether you brew a soothing cup of ginger tea or opt for a ginger supplement, it might just become your new period buddy. Now, on to something spicy. Chicken. It's not just delicious, but also a great source of iron and protein. Eating protein-rich foods during your period can keep those cravings at bay and boost your energy levels. So why not treat yourself to a nourishing chicken dish? If you're a seafood lover, you're in luck, since fish, like salmon and trout, is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, iron, and protein. These nutrients are known mood boosters and can help alleviate symptoms of depression or anxiety that sometimes tag along with our cycle. Moving on swiftly is chocolate. Yes, you heard right, dark chocolate. Besides being a decadent treat, it's rich in iron and magnesium, which are both key players in reducing menstrual pain. Plus, who doesn't feel a bit happier with a square of dark chocolate in hand? Last, but certainly not least, I know you will all like this. Many yogurt varieties contain probiotics, those friendly bacteria that support gut health and digestion. Incorporating yogurt into your diet before and during your period could potentially ease discomfort and even lift your mood. There you have it, some delicious and nutritious options to consider during that time of the month. Remember, taking care of yourself starts with what you eat. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Together, let's support each other on our journey to healthier, happier periods. Until next time, take care and be well.